In July 2023, PVcase released the following new features and updates. Up to this moment, any manual changes to electrical labels in the model space would not be reflected in the bill of materials in the electrical overview. But from now on, they will update there as well. Simply select the label in the model space and modify the text in the Properties window. And if the electrical overview was open while the labeling was being modified, make sure to close and reopen it for the updated text to show. Also important to note is that selecting to update in the labeling section will do away with any of the manual changes. More design flexibility has been added for electrical systems that include harnesses connecting to a DC combiner box or an IPC trunk system. Now the user can also include harnesses with just one string, mainly for use when there's an odd number of leftover strings. When selecting the number of strings per harness, the user is still limited to a minimum of 2, but now, in order to generate these single strings, the designer can use semi-auto generate and select a single string. The standard warning message will show, but the designer can as always disregard it by clicking yes and then proceed to generate the single string. Alternatively, the user can right-click on an existing parent device, select PVcase, click on Add String, and then select an unassigned string and its alignment line to add the single string harness to that electrical device. Due to the success of the recently added PVcase GG Points command that allows users to export the high-density proposed terrain points, a new Export to CSV button has been added to make it more accessible. To use it, just open the Civil Analysis window, go to the Ground Grading tab, and in the Active Surface section make sure that the proposed option is selected and click on Export to CSV. If you want to export the original terrain instead, just switch over to Existing before clicking on the Export button. Please let us know what you think about the new features and reach out if you need any further support using them.